The secret to an incredible sopa azteca isn't the chicken or the tomatoes. It's what gets blended into the broth. And if you love comforting recipes packed with flavor, make sure you follow for more. We're using tortillas in two ways today. First, we'll crisp up a couple to blend into the soup, giving it that rich, authentic texture. Then we'll make a second batch of crispy tortilla strips for the perfect garnish at the end. Now for the tomato base. Add Roma tomatoes, red onion, garlic cloves, avocado oil, and salt. Cook for about 20 to 25 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius until the tomatoes are soft and beautifully golden. While that's cooking, make the chili stock. Add guajillo chili, ancho chili, chipotle chili, chicken stock, smoked paprika, and fresh coriander. Bring everything to a boil, then turn off the heat and let those flavors infuse. Once the tomatoes are ready, add them to a blender along with the warm chili stock, the crispy tortillas, and a small piece of dark chocolate. Blend until completely smooth, then strain the mixture to remove any remaining pieces of chili or tortilla. Transfer the soup to a saucepan and gently simmer. Let me know in the comments. Have you ever tried Sopa Azteca before? And don't forget to follow for more easy recipes from around the world. To assemble, divide the shredded chicken between 4 bowls. Add paneer cheese, pour the hot soup over the top, add more paneer cheese, diced avocado, and the crispy tortilla strips. Mix sour cream with lime juice and drizzle it over each bowl. Finish with fresh coriander and serve. Smoky, rich, creamy, crunchy, and packed with incredible flavor.